Today, I'm going to show you how to make our Kickin chicken slider recipe. Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike. I want to welcome you here. Thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit that follow button down there so you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're putting out. Now, don't worry, I'll have all the details for this recipe as well as all the El Yucateco social media links down in the video description. All right, let's get into this recipe. We're going to start with a pot with about 2 cups of chicken broth on medium-high heat and add 4 trimmed chicken breasts to that. Now cover that up and cook it on medium to high heat until the chicken is shreddable. This can take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. Once it is shreddable, go ahead and shred it with 2 forks. The pot I'm using is metal utensil safe, but if yours isn't, you can go ahead and transfer the chicken into a different dish to shred. Now we'll add all the shredded chicken to a large bowl for mixing. Let's add some adobo seasoning, minced garlic, honey, some melted butter, and chicken's best friend, some El Yucateco green. And you can be as generous as you want with this. All it's going to do is add a ton of flavor with a little kick. Now mix that all together well. I have a package of slider buns here, and we are just going to cut those in half. Next, get yourself a baking dish and be sure to spray that with some nonstick. We'll place the bottom slider buns in place, top that with cheddar cheese slices, a generous amount of our shredded chicken, a little more shredded cheese on top to help glue all this together when it melts. Now place the top buns in place and hit that up with a little bit of garlic butter. It's just some melted butter with garlic powder. We'll dab that all over the top, then sprinkle that with a few sesame seeds for texture and presentation. Now we'll get this into our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Now remove it from the oven, let it rest for just a few minutes. Time for my favorite part of the video. Cheers, everyone. I have decided to finish this. I'll be right back. So the first thing you get is that nice butter garlic flavor and that great texture on the top of these slider buns. But that El Yucateco green inside makes this chicken so succulent and so flavorful. You are going to love this recipe. Okay, that's it for this one. I really appreciate your time and your support. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this recipe. Till next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.